Crunch. Lie on a mat or on the floor with your knees bent. Position your hands so that they are interlocked behind your head. Exhale and raise your chest up while keeping your lower back on the ground. Continue to raise your chest up as far as you can while still keeping your lower back on the ground, stopping lower than you would in a sit-up. Inhale and lower yourself back down slowly, returning to the starting position. Frog crunch. Lie supine on the floor with your hands behind your head, knees pointed outwards, and feet pressed against one another. Exhale and raise your chest up while simultaneously bringing your thighs up and towards your chest. Continue until your knees are several inches from your thighs. Inhale, lowering your legs and torso to return to the starting position. Reverse crunch. Lie on the floor facing the ceiling with your legs bent and thighs raised directly above your hips. Exhale and curl your knees toward your head, allowing your butt and lower back to come off the floor. Continue until your knees pass over your upper chest. Inhale and lower your legs, returning them to the starting position. Starfish crunch. Lie supine on the floor with your arms and legs fully extended and pointed outward in a jumping jack position. Exhale while raising one arm and the opposite leg towards each other while keeping them straight and raising your head up alongside your arm. Continue until your hand and foot touch, keeping your other arm and leg firmly planted on the ground. Inhale and lower your arm and leg down, returning to the starting position while keeping them straight. Switch sides. Straight arm bent knee crunch. Lie supine on the floor with your arms raised overhead and knees bent in front of you. Exhale and raise your chest up toward your knees while keeping your arms directly overhead and keeping your lower back in contact with the ground. Continue to raise your chest and arms up as far as you can while keeping your lower back still on the ground. Inhale and lower yourself down, returning to the starting position. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.